not advertise on Amazon before you watch this video. Of course, advertising on Amazon increases your sales and gets you more money. But you need to make sure that you do this before you start advertising. Congratulations to the winner! If you want to get the chance to win a consultation call with me, all you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, make sure you leave me a comment in the comment section below. Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society are a certified Amazon service provider in the Middle East. And throughout the years since 2019, we've supported hundreds of sellers in the Middle East launch their brands and their products on Amazon. If you want to learn a little bit more about us, and if you want to book a call with our team, then all you need to do is check us out on our website. I'll leave also the links in the description box of this video. Now let's talk about Amazon ads. Amazon ads and PPC ads is an incredible way for you to increase your sales on Amazon and for you to beat the competition. But what Amazon ads do is they increase your visibility, meaning more people will see your product. And logically speaking, the more people see your product, the higher your chances of getting sales, right? Wrong, because before you even start advertising and spending money on ads, you need to make sure that your listing is optimized. What listing optimization basically means is that you need to provide the right impression to the right customer so that they end up clicking the buy now button and purchasing your product. Let me explain.
A lot of sellers think that customers on Amazon will buy. That's not the case. They need to sell their product. Because, you know, my background with my off-Amazon business was also retail. We had shops, we had stores where people came in. So the way that I approach an Amazon listing is that in the absence of a physical store and sales assistants, your listing is the store and it's your sales assistant. So it needs to talk to whoever comes into your listing. So the first thing you have to have is a beautiful shop window to attract people to come in. And what is your shop window? It's your hero image. So your hero image has to be beautiful and it needs to stand out on the page. So that's the first step. And then the next step is, you know, the customer comes into your store. How do you sell it to them? You know, you display the product. You show it in its best light. You have a sales associate there who will say to you, look, you know, for example, let's talk about the cutting board. The sales associate will say, you know, this is beautiful. It's made from organic olive wood and it's a natural product. And, you know, you can use it as a cutting board, but look, you can also use it as a cheese board. You can use it as a charcuterie board for your parties, for your events, and also look, you can also use it as a steak board. So how do you do this with your listing? You know, there's no human being there to talk to the shopper. Yeah. So this is where it all comes in. And you know, we create videos. Videos are a great way to capture the attention of the shopper, keep them on the page, and they can actually see the product in use.
Sometimes selling a product on Amazon doesn't really mean that you need to reinvent and reimagine the product. It simply means that you need to be smart in the way that you market the product and the target audience that you want to be attracted to your product.
So this client has been selling this board successfully on Etsy, and now they're going to be launching on Amazon. And they asked us to create their visuals for them. So, you know, I had a look at the products. All the competition have not many images, and most of those images are basically flat, white background images. There's hardly any use cases. So that was, you know, the first thing is we need to show it in use, because relatability is the key factor. You know, when you're shopping for a product, you want to see how people are using it and how it's making their lives better or easier. So that was a given. But then we thought, okay, you know, this is a beautiful item. How else can it be used? You know, yes, we know it. You can use it to chop your vegetables or slice bread, but how else can you use it? You know, it's so beautiful. You want to be able to display it, to show it off. So using it as a cheese board. Or even, we thought it's such a lovely piece. Why not show it with, a cup of coffee and a cake on it, so you can use it for serving instead of a tray. And so we used that idea. We incorporated that into the video and still images. And then another way that I've not seen anybody else show this type of product is to actually acknowledge its beauty and just say that it's a decor piece in itself. So we decided to showcase it with a candle and a small vase of flowers. So, we've taken one product and we've shown 6 different ways that you can use it.
Now, if you're still in the product research phase and you're still thinking what product you want to sell on Amazon, make sure that you watch this video right here where I break down how to use Helium 10's black box tool to learn a little bit more. Click here, click maybe the card up there, or just check the description box of this video. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.